Thank you for allowing me to introduce myself. My name is Zeeshan Anwar. I did my electronic engineering a long time ago. Then I also have some Microsoft NT courses or certifications back 15-16 years back. Then since the time I joined NetSoft, during the infrastructure analyst program, I completed a lot of Microsoft certifications that includes MTA, MCSE, then I also did certificate. I am also System Center certified. I also completed my CCA certification as a Citrix certified administrator, and I also had VCP done when I was doing my VMware course. One of my colleague 2 years back, he recommended me some IT courses, so I was asking him about the good institutes in Toronto or GTA area. So he sent me at NetSoft for the Active Directory workshop that was starting next week, and I came at NetSoft and enrolled myself in that Active Directory workshop in 2013 and completed successfully. And then I also started the diploma program, and I completed successfully the infrastructure analyst program. If I include Active Directory workshop, it's roughly around 10 to 11 trainings I attended at NetSoft. Trainings I attended here at NetSoft were really good. The trainers were good. The learning environment was good. We were provided some really good labs and lab environment. We were also working from home on the labs, and also the trainers were really helpful. The senior students were helpful, and there was a very good environment during the whole diploma program. I have spoken with my colleagues at NetSoft that some of the students, they also attended some courses in other institutes as well. So if I have to compare NetSoft with the other institutes, I would recommend NetSoft, because the quality of education and the quality of teachers NetSoft has, because the trainers, they are also working full-time at the other major companies, IT industry, and they're delivering training based on their experience. What I felt is the trainers here at NetSoft, they don't only provide the quality education here at NetSoft, but they also play some motivational videos. They also do some short mind-building lectures, and they also are involved in a little bit of extracurricular activities as well. And throughout, if I compare NetSoft trainers with other trainers, I would say that NetSoft trainers probably are the best trainers here in GTA. So the trainers were intelligent enough to feel whenever we were not working as per the potential, they started giving us some more labs, some more assignments, and the trainers encouraged us by playing some motivational videos. That really helped us a lot. And the trainers also helped us out in doing the labs and assignments. If we were having any issues, they were always available via email. Whenever we had any issues, we used to email them, and trainers replied back with positive feedback. So the trainers really helped us a lot. There are always pros and cons for anything you start, but I would say that there are more pros compared to cons if you join NetSoft. They're like the trainers, the quality of education here at NetSoft is remarkable. There is no match to the trainings we have been provided. All the teachers were excellent, and the environment was really great. The cons, This is really not a con, but I would say that you have to sacrifice some of your family life, or you might have to sacrifice your entertainment. You have to put aside some of the activities you're doing right now. There are so many success stories. I can't really mention each one of them here right now, but even in our class, when we started a diploma program, there were a couple of students within the class who got the jobs during the course, and they got promotions while they were almost finishing the diploma program. And then once they were done, they were really close to what they were actually expecting from this diploma program. Even for myself, I was not expecting that much change in myself after completing the diploma, but I have a lot of examples, lots of those. I know those students who I cannot share their names, but there are a lot of success stories. In almost every training, we spend 16 to 20 hours in the class, and other than that, at home, we spent almost 16 to 20 hours at home as well. That makes a total of anywhere from 35 to 40 hours a week. There was a training program that was conducted just before finishing the diploma program, that encouraged us to build our resumes as fast as we can. Then we were provided with the feedbacks from trainers. Then we were helping other students as well. The senior students also helped us a lot in building our resumes, in preparation for the job interviews. The trainers also helped us with providing some of their experiences with the recruiters, with the clients, and the training program we did, Hire Me program, that helped us a lot in preparing for the whole interview process, from interview to hiring and then joining the company. I didn't have that much IT background when I came at NetSoft, but all I learned here at NetSoft really helped me out in building my IT skills. I'm so proud of being a Citrix administrator. I'm proud of being a VCP certified professional and VMware certified professional, and I also did some Microsoft certifications, and I'm really proud of what I have achieved at NetSoft. Most of the trainings I attended were awesome, but VMware course I really liked. The trainer was very good and very knowledgeable. All the trainers were knowledgeable, but especially I like this VMware course, so I will recommend VMware. NetSoft provided me an opportunity to learn and to gain the IT skills that I was lacking behind, and the main reason for recommending NetSoft is the way the trainers delivered the trainings here, the good environment and good atmosphere here at NetSoft. If you are really looking forward to join NetSoft, please go ahead and sign up for the training programs NetSoft is offering. The main reason I'm asking to join NetSoft is because at NetSoft we have the best trainers, we have the best training material, and the trainers always deliver the best of their ability. And the administration, the trainers, the NetSoft environment is really good.